Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna do a little short unboxing of the Sunlu Filadryer S4. I got it to prepare for the canvas multi-material system that I have pre-ordered for my printer. So let's jump right in. It's a pretty big box. It was just small pieces of foam. I thought it was on the whole side so I could lift it. I should be able to lift it from the plastic. Oh, I almost dropped it. It's a bit heavy, so that's why I almost dropped it. It's like 5 kilos, I think. So I wanted the Creality Space by X4L, but it was a bit too expensive, and I don't think I really need the dual chamber heating. So this should be more than enough for me. And I think all the accessories should be on the inside. They are. So I'm gonna start by looking at the accessories. I think this is 1 meter because it said 1 meter, or it said PTFE tube ×2, and it said then 1 meter after that, so I don't know if it's 1 meter in total or... No, it should be 1 meter per tube. And then the power cable. Here's the bearings and the rods, so that you can make the filament spools roll easily. So yeah, then you just have a few manuals that I won't read because this should be pretty easy to use. So I can throw them aside. So yeah, it wasn't that exciting to unbox, but I wanted to do a short video because I don't really have any content right now, so I might as well unbox this. And I got it for 100 euros off AliExpress, so way cheaper than the Creality Space Pi. Then I'm gonna do the peel, I think. I also thought you would get silica bags, but apparently you do not get them. So I'm gonna, if I need, or if I'm gonna use silica, I need to buy some myself. I think I'm gonna insert the rods as well on camera. That's all of the rods or rollers in place. It almost reaches here. Oh, it does reach. Then I'm gonna plug it in there. Let's see. I like the indicators. So now it's set to PLA 50 degrees. It heats up pretty fast, at least in the beginning. Oh, here's still a sticker. So yeah, at least it works, and now I just need to use some isopropanol to get the residue off, and then I can connect it. So yeah, it was just supposed to be a short unboxing, and that's exactly what it was. So yeah, that was all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.